700 series filters. And this is how they come packaged, a set of 6. And they're just the replacement filters for 700, 760, 770, and 780 series. And so we'll go ahead and open them. And this is exactly what they look like. Just like this. And I've got my Roomba here. As you can see, it's a daily user, so it might not be the cleanest Roomba, especially when we take out this filter. Move it right back there. So you just press this button, pull it out, and move this out of the way. Turn this over. And when you look inside, you can see it's been used. Like I say, I use it every day. But all you will do is you'll flip this open, and then you'll take these and they pop out. And this is what the dirty one looks like. And the same thing on this side. It's a little clip. You just pop them out. As you can see, they're really dirty. So what I'll do is I'll just take the new ones and pop them right back there. Pop them in. And again, same thing with this one. And that's how you refill the Roomba filter. We'll put it to use for a while. And in the written part of it, I will let you know how it works. But that was just the install of the new filters, replacing the old filters. There's not really any difference that I can tell from the ones that actually came with the Roomba.